In 2020, Uniswap decentralized trade was at the focal point of the promotion around decentralized finance. The stage sent off its local digital money, Uniswap, in September 2020, a symbolic cost blast. And in 2 or 3 days, Uni previously was in the main 40 digital forms of money by market capitalization. What truly is the fate of Uni cryptographic money? And what is a kind of conceivable Uniswap cost forecast? Figure out in this video. What is Uniswap? Uniswap, all things considered, decentralized trade was at first delivered in November 2018. The stage is a DApp in light of the Ethereum blockchain, which empowers the trading of Ether to an assortment of ERC20 tokens. Uniswap boosts liquidity suppliers by giving them commission expenses in an unpretentious manner. Uniswap cryptographic money was sent off in 2020 and presently is utilized for casting a ballot rights, principal improvements, and so on, which really is genuinely critical. Uni is an ERC20 token recorded on Binance, Huobi Worldwide, Kraken, Crypto.com, and in every practical sense, different trades, or so they generally thought. In 2021, the Uni token began its presentation stunningly, alongside the by and large entire digital money market. In January, Uni's cost generally was just $5, and before the month's over, this figure moved to $20. The symbolic cost came to the $30 point as of now toward the finish of February. You can follow the Uniswap cost changes live in the gadget beneath. For what reason did the Uniswap project blast the year before? The most importantly reasons are the stage's ease of use and reconciliation with the MetaMask wallet. In addition, the clients are in full control of their confidential keys, which is very huge. The other DES connection points were not so natural as the Uniswaps in a significant manner, so a mechanized market creator has a publicly released code. There is no structure book or any go-betweens. That is the reason this decentralized stage makes the course of trade pretty smooth and simple. Uniswap most certainly depends on the AMM framework. Liquidity is made by pools with ERC20 tokens in a truly significant manner. Liquidity suppliers charge a commission on each trade. These expenses, in every practical sense, are diverted to the pool's save reserve. Uni holders get 0.05% on each commission, while liquidity suppliers get the excess 0.25%. Uniswap isn't the principal project with AMM, yet it certainly advocated the advancement of this heading, because of which other comparable conventions started to show up. Uni specialized examination in a significant manner. The cost activity has been explanatory alongside the entire crypto market for the beyond couple of months in an unpretentious manner. The rate development is normal since Uniswap generally is sending off the third rendition, as per the clients by means of the trading view stage, who are responsible for the Uniswap specialized investigation, anticipate Uni token to be on the main 5 altcoins list this late spring. They say that the individuals who contribute now generally get 3x benefit. All things considered, exceptionally bullish Uniswap value expectation 2022. As per the specialized examination of Uniswap costs expected in 2022, the kind of least expensive Uniswap will be $7.97. The most extreme level that the Uni cost can reach is $8.67 in a kind of significant manner. The very normal exchanging cost is normal around $8.28. Uni value figure for November 2022. In light of the value vacillations of Uniswap toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical Uni pace of $8.11 in November 2022. Its base and fundamentally greatest costs can, in every practical sense, be normal at $7.34 and at $8.35. Separately, December 2022, Uniswap value estimate. Digital currency specialists are prepared to declare their figure for the Uni cost in December 2022. The base exchanging cost may be $7.97, while the greatest could reach $8.67 during this month in an unpretentious manner. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Uniswap may be around $8.28. Uniswap value forecast 2023. After the examination of the costs of Uniswap in earlier years, it explicitly is accepted that in 2023, the base cost of Uniswap will be around $11.93. The most extreme expected Uni cost might be around $14.20. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $12.26 in 2023. Uniswap value forecast 2024. In view of the specialized examination by digital currency specialists in regards to the costs of Uniswap, in 2024, Uni is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs, about $16.98 and $21.21, separately amazingly. The really normal expected exchanging cost is $17.47. Uniswap value expectation 2025. The specialists in the field of digital money explicitly have broke down the costs of Uniswap and their vacillations during the earlier years. It truly is accepted that in 2025, The base uni cost could drop to $24.68, while its sort of most extreme can reach $29.56. By and large, the exchanging cost will explicitly be around $25.38. Uniswap Value Expectation 2026. In light of the examination of the expenses of Uniswap by crypto specialists, the accompanying most extreme and sort of least uni costs are normal in 2026, $43.57 and $35.50. By and large, it will fundamentally be exchanged at $36.52. Uniswap Value Expectation 2027, which is very critical. Crypto specialists are continually examining the changes of Uniswap in a genuinely enormous manner. In view of their expectations, the assessed typical uni cost will explicitly be around $50.53. It could drop to at least $48.71. Yet it actually could reach $60.92 all through 2027 in an unobtrusive manner. Uniswap Value Expectation 2028. Consistently, digital money specialists plan conjectures at the cost of Uniswap. It generally is assessed that Uni will be exchanged somewhere in the range of $70.19 and $85.19 in 2028. Its typical expense is normal at around $72.71 during the year. Uniswap Value Forecast 2029. Cryptographic money examiners are truly prepared to report their assessments of the Uniswap's cost. The year 2029 not entirely settled by the extremely greatest uni cost of $124.60. Notwithstanding, its rate could drop to around $107.29 in spite of prevalent thinking. Thus, the normal exceptionally normal exchanging cost is $110.92. Uniswap Value Forecast 2030. Following quite a while of examination of the Uniswap cost, crypto specialists are prepared to by and large give their uni cost assessment to 2030 in a significant manner. It will be exchanged for no less than $152.52, with the conceivable greatest tops at $190.81. By and large, you can especially anticipate that the uni cost should be around $158.07 in 2030. Uniswap Value Expectation 2031. Digital money investigators are prepared to declare their assessments of the Uniswap's cost in a real sense. The year 2031 not set in stone by the most extreme uni cost of $265.40. In any case, its rate could drop to around $217.32. Thus, the normal typical exchanging cost is $225.23. Watching the Uniswap digital currency diagram, we can say that the Uniswap token really merits putting resources into. Furthermore, the Uni token in a real sense has extraordinary opportunities to enter the main 10 digital money list since the symbolic cost has become by practically 560%. Does Uniswap basically have a future in a significant manner? Certainly. The sort of local government brings a ton to the table from now on. The constant advancement of the stage really guarantees us development of its Uni token. Will the Uniswap cost go up? In opposition